Hello, inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. Going for a bit of a van camp at the Breighton Ferry. Meeting a few of the guys there. Also, oldest friend is joining us for tonight. And then we're going out paddling tomorrow morning on the River Derwent. Got a bit of a trip planned down from the Breighton Ferry to the Barmby Barrage. Let's get to the Breighton Ferry.
City Centre during the Christmas market will not stop future events, a disability rights campaigner claimed today. Luke Williams said keeping the markets till
16 tomorrow, a few sunny intervals, but 17 degrees.
Hey!
So your oldest friend?
I am.
I recognise Dog.
Do you?
Nigel, Ainsley, Nigel.
Good to see you, bud.
Good to see
Heard
you.
about you, and it's all good.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a first.
I didn't realise Carl had any mates that were outside kayaking.
I'm only one
All right.
that's lasted.
Well, we've been here a few hours now, so long that there's a gazebo gone up, there's people knocking about, it's all going a little bit feral. There's vans and cars and, yeah, we won't look in there. Oggie's here, yeah, it's all happening. We've had a few beers, there's boats going up, but we're not going out. It's a bit, yeah, it's a bit 1830, and that's just the year that Raf was born. Which one's this one?
Valkyrie clone.
The Valkyrie, that's a clone. Anyway, that's not the point. The point is, I'm a little bit drunk and I need to get something to eat. So I'm going to do something really simple. This has gone a bit hard in this bag, so I need to kind of get that used up. And I'm going to do some chicken in white sauce. Tonight's slop is on the go. We've got Trangier slop going on over there, fried slop going on over there, and boiled slop going on over here. It's all happening.
Everybody's run out of beer, there's plenty there.
Ah, good man.
Thank you. I will take you up on this actually, Jim, if you don't mind.
Anything for free beer, eh, Nige?
I'll take that. I'll not pass up on it. Thank you.
You're good at it.
No, that's the best thing about Jim.
Nothing.
Banter. Hello, this is future me, here to tell you about a really big boob I've made. So I've been trying out on this trip a new camera, the DJI Osmo Nano. Unfortunately, I didn't quite have the settings set right like I do on my other camera, so when I pressed record after this slow-mo shot, everything went into slow-mo and I didn't notice. The whole of the next day, the whole of the paddle, everything is in slow-mo. So I'll show you a few little nice bits of that to music. Now for me, the purpose of this paddle outing was to try the back support in that budget packraft that you've seen my review of, and I wanted to see what that was like on this a 5-mile trip, because it's 5 miles from the Breighton Ferry down to Barmby Barrage, which is where we were going that day. And yes, the backrest did make a lot of difference. What I would say about the packraft itself is it's not the most comfortable, and I think I just need to fettle with the seating a little bit to get that right. I did have the seat itself, the seat cushion, not fully inflated, and maybe it would have benefited from being fully inflated. Don't know, I'll have to try that again. So far I'm quite impressed with that little raft. It's okay. So we paddled all the way down to Barmby Barrage and we committed a bit of a faux pas. Normally when I've reached that area there have been fishing jetties on the left hand side and they'd been swept away in the floods. So we got out on the right hand side, and as we did, a chap called Rob came over, and he's the keeper, one of the keepers for the barrage, and he advised us very kindly that we'd made a bit of a faux pas in that barrage opens automatically twice a day depending on the tides in the River Ouse that the River Derwent runs into. And what could have happened is we could have got swept along when that barrage opened and kind of had a bit of a nasty mishap on the onside of the barrage. So he advised us to get out at the pontoon and to ring him if we need to get out of the pontoon because that's gated. So I've put his number in the pinned comment and description for anybody who wants to either launch from that area or wants to paddle down to that area. Don't go as far as we did.